Hello there, my name is Ollie from NKW, and today I have for you the 2022 Volkswagen Transporter. Now this is a long wheelbase medium-sized van with 5 doors. This does come with barn doors at the back rather than a tailgate like you do see on some transporters, and it does have just under 25,000 miles on the clock, a 6-speed manual transmission, diesel fuel type of course, and 3 cloth-lined seats from the interior. Now this does also come with hands-free cooling, cruise control, as well as parking sensors, reverse parking camera, phone connectivity, Bluetooth, satellite navigation, etc. Air conditioning as well. And I will just show you the load area in the back. As you may note, this does not come with a bulkhead. And in the back, it is indeed ply-lined, interior lit, and cargo rings to tie down any load you may want to carry as well. Now, if you would like to find out more about this Volkswagen Transporter, then please do feel free to head over to our website. It is in the description of this video, nkvans.co.uk, or you can come to our site in Padworth, just outside of Reading, to discover more about this vehicle.